The Confederation of African Football has dismissed Orlando Pirates' complaint against FC Saint Elio Lupopo, ruling that the Congolese side did not field an ineligible player during their recent continental fixture. Pirates had argued that Lupopo's Ramos Kashala Wanted should not have been allowed to participate, alleging that his international clearance was finalized after the regulatory deadline. However, Lupopo revealed in a statement published on the club's official Facebook page that CAF found no wrongdoing. Lupopo has secured a decisive administrative victory following the decision made by the Confederation of African Football, the club announced. CAF has dismissed the complaint lodged by South Africans and confirmed that the eligibility of players Molia and Kashala, who were duly registered. CAF's disciplinary jury also upheld the six-match suspension handed to the head coach Guy Bokassa Misakapu in a separate DRC under-20 matter. But the ruling brought further misery for Orlando Pirates, who were hit with two financial penalties. CAF fined the Soto Giants $5,000 plus or minus 85,000 rand for allegedly denying Lupopo essential accreditations and an additional $20,000, of which is 343,000 rand and 500 after the Congolese outfit accused Pirates of spraying chemicals in their dressing room. Lipopos added that these decisions reinforce the victory achieved on the field and strengthen our club's position in the competition. The Congolese club concluded by saying it will continue to defend its interest with greatest determination as the Continental campaign progresses. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.